Alabama Personal Lines Exam. Welcome to the quiz. Which peril is typically excluded from a standard homeowners HO3 policy's coverage? B. Other structures. Is it A. Fire? Or B. Windstorm? C. Earthquake? Or D. Theft? The answer is C. Coverage B in an HO3 homeowners policy protects detached structures on the property such as garages, sheds, fences, or gazebos, and it is written on an open perils or all-risk basis, meaning it covers damage from any cause except those specifically excluded. Earthquake is a standard exclusion in most HO3 policies because it is a catastrophic event that can cause massive widespread damage and requires separate earthquake insurance, usually purchased as an endorsement or standalone policy. Fire and windstorm are normally covered perils under both Coverage A and Coverage B in an HO3 policy. Theft is generally covered if it causes damage to the structure itself, although theft of contents would fall under Coverage C. Because earthquake is one of the most common and important exclusions listed in standard HO3 forms, it is the peril typically not covered under Coverage B without additional protection. Next question. Garage keeper's legal liability coverage is designed for. Is it A. a homeowner storing a classic car in their own garage? Or B. a business that parks, stores, or services customers' vehicles? C. a tenant parking a car in an apartment garage? Or D. coverage for tools in a home garage? The answer is B. Garage keepers' legal liability coverage protects businesses, such as auto repair shops, parking garages, valet services, or car dealers against liability for damage to customers' vehicles while in their care, custody, or control. It covers negligence causing damage to non-owned autos. Homeowners' garages are covered under homeowners' policies. Tenant parking is not business-related. Tools are personal property. Because this coverage is for businesses responsible for others' vehicles, it fits that purpose. Next question. What is the main function of towing and labor coverage in an auto policy? Is it A. to pay for a rental car after a collision? Or B. to reimburse for towing costs and on-site labor, like a flat tire change? C. to cover the cost of all mechanical repairs? Or D. to pay for roadside assistance club memberships? The answer is B. Towing and labor coverage pays for towing the covered vehicle to a repair facility and for on-site mechanical labor, such as changing a flat tire, jump-starting a battery, or delivering fuel when the vehicle is disabled due to a covered cause. Rental car is separate loss of use. Mechanical repairs are collision or comprehensive. Roadside clubs are external services. Because it specifically covers towing and roadside labor, this is its main function. Next question. An endorsement that provides coverage for a newly acquired vehicle automatically is commonly called what? Is it A. a miscellaneous vehicle endorsement? Or B. an automatic coverage provision? C. a substitute transportation endorsement? Or D. a temporary insurance binder? The answer is B. An automatic coverage provision or newly acquired auto clause in a personal auto policy automatically extends coverage to a newly purchased vehicle for a short period, typically 14 or 30 days, so the insured has time to report it without a gap. Miscellaneous vehicle endorsement covers non-auto vehicles like ATVs. Substitute transportation covers rentals during repairs. A binder is temporary proof before policy issuance. Because automatic coverage applies to new vehicles, this is the common name. Next question. What does permissive use mean in the context of an auto policy? Is it A. the named insured has given the driver permission to use the vehicle? Or B. the state permits the vehicle to be on the road? C. the insurer permits the named insured to drive? Or D. any use of the vehicle is automatically permitted? The answer is A. Permissive use means a person other than the named insured or household member is driving the covered auto with the permission or implied permission of the named insured or family member, extending liability coverage to that driver. State road permission is registration. Insurer permission is not required. Automatic any use is not true, as permission is needed. Because permissive use relies on permission from the insured, this defines it. Next question. A guaranteed replacement cost provision in a homeowner's policy promises what? Is it A, to pay the market value of the home regardless of cost? Or B, to rebuild the home exactly as it was, even if the cost exceeds the policy limit? C, to pay the actual cash value of the loss quickly? Or D, to waive all deductibles for a total loss? The answer is B. Guaranteed replacement cost coverage promises to pay the full cost to rebuild the home to its pre-loss condition using similar materials and quality, even if the actual cost exceeds the stated dwelling limit on the policy, eliminating the risk of underinsurance due to inflation or errors. Market value is not relevant for replacement. ACV subtracts depreciation. Deductible waivers are separate. Because it guarantees full rebuild costs beyond the limit, this is what it promises. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell us how many you scored out of 6 in the comments, and let me know what topic I should post next. Bye.